All right, welcome back, Mizumi. It's a new day. Okay. New color athletic wear shirt and pants and two different color socks like the kids. Okay. Anyway, we've tried out some things. So this company's great. They make all the colors. And they're all, I find, quite accurate. Anyway, did a sexy little test yesterday. And I think that's going to work just fine. Now, you can see it's not quite as dark, obviously, because I only sprayed like one coat on there. But I think that's going to be fine, because we have a little bit of damage right there that I want to fix. We've got a little bit of damage there that I want to fix. So, hopefully that'll make it less noticeable. So what I'm going to do today is try and focus on just cleaning up the sides and the back of the body and getting it prepped for a clear coat. So let's see what we can do. You will notice here a little bit of overspray. That'll just sand right out. I was never really worried about that. So I'm just going to clean away some of that. There's really hardly any overspray anywhere. I thought there was going to be overspray everywhere, but Nipah, it's good. We're good. So I want to kind of clean up that, so I'm just gonna scuff it down a bit and then tape this area up and try and just do a little bit of light overspray. I'm not trying to get overly cute with it. So nothing to it but to do it, right? A little bit of 400, a little bit of light pressure, and on the rest of the body I've decided I'm not going after the, because I sort of decided that in the middle of the video I was making yesterday. I had really only intended to just lightly scuff the body all over and get going. But then I just started seeing all the orange peel and I was like, oh, I should clean some of that up. And just like a person with a severe case of ADHD and low IQ. You know what I mean? So there we are. And so I'm not trying to be overly cute with this, like I said. I'm trying to take the shine off of this so that a cute little coat of clear nitro lacquer that I have will stick to this nicely, blend in well. And look like it all came that way. So I am going to, instead of making you watch all this tedious process like I did yesterday, Alright folks, welcome back to the exciting continuation of where I wrap a garbage bag around my guitar. Alright friends, here we are. I've got a little bit of the Heritage Cherry. I don't know if I talked about it. Come on, focus. There you go. So the aim is not to repaint the guitar, but just to make this less noticeable. Okay. I don't really want any hard lines, per se. That's what I'm really trying to avoid, is hard lines in the red. Because that's going to be hard to get rid of. So now we're just going to play a little trick on it. Now we're just going to play a little sexy little trick I like to call cheat those lines. There we go. And now I can just let that dry for today. And then tomorrow, I'll give just a little quick around the edges just to blend it in so that it doesn't look like there's a hard line. But that is the same color, so it's going to look the same once there's a clear coat on it. Just look like there's a hard line because it's really fresh paint right now. Ah, my lighting sucks. I've got lights everywhere. I've got lights everywhere. Cannot win. Okay, so there you can see where my tape line was. But the color is exactly the same, which is perfecto. Because once I give that a little bit of a how you doing tomorrow, a little sand, then it'll blend in. And then the rest of the body is already ready to be clear coated again. I've just scuffed it all up. Front's ready. Headstock, I'll give that a little kiss with some sandpaper to flatten it before we put some more coats of clear on it. It's going to be good. It's going to be ready. Super pleased.